This is Matt, and this will be a short, straightforward video on how to change the page color in Google Docs. So right here on Google Docs, an untitled document, I've got some random content here that I've just put on this page so that we can do this video. You'll see that the page is, in fact, of course, white right here around the surrounds. Let's change the page color. We come up to the very top. We click on File in the top left corner. Right near the bottom, we have Print at the bottom. One above that, we have Page Setup. We click on Page Setup, and we have this main window here for Page Setup. We can do the orientation settings, like we can change portrait and landscape, but we also have this option right here for Page Color. So we hit this drop down on Page Color, and you can choose any of these colors right here. You can do custom ones. You can even do the color dropper and actually pick, a color off screen or something. You can also, you can click right here and you can put a hex code in there. You can even drag around and find an exact color you wanted. So if you wanted this light blue kind of color here, we can click save, or you can just select one of the pre-existing ones there. Once you've actually selected your page color, you will click OK. And just like that, you can see the surrounds, the actual background, not the middle where the margins are, but the background is in that color that you have just selected. So hopefully you have found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.